As a job seeker, do you think that the main reason that you are looking for a job is to be paid money from the employer after you find a job? But before the employer hire you, there are too many important things that always employers looking for you. Number 1 is commitment. Number 2 is work productivity. However, the mismatch between the job seeker expectation and requirement of the employer is the reason behind lack of response from the employer when you apply for a job. Therefore, our next tutorial we will discover how to solve the mismatch between job seekers and employers.